Here I have iPad Air 5th generation, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and here in camera you just have to hold down volume up button with light off, and after that it will take a burst shot. So as you can see, it took right now like about 20 shots, 22 photos, and here by tapping on select you can view all these photos. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.